There are two common ways the Strayer writing standards are used. The first way is as a step-by-step guide to create an assignment in SWS style. The Strayer University Writing Standards Guide is designed in a checklist format. You can print the standards out and check off the boxes as you create your assignment. This method ensures that you follow the standards and helps you understand your instructor's expectations. The second common use of the Strayer University Writing Standards Guide is as a reference. Once you are familiar and comfortable with the standards, the guide serves as a refresher to help you remember some of the specific details that you may have forgotten. Most often, this involves citing sources in your assignment. Remember that different types of assignments have different expectations. Need a reminder on how to format a resource on your source list? This is exactly what the guide is for. No matter how you use the guide, remember that you can get help and support from your instructor. SWS-related questions can also be emailed to sws.learning@strayer.edu.